Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials: account, password, server names, and port numbers. Keep them handy. Once ready, open Outlook and choose Add Account. Automatic Setup tries common settings first. If automatic fails, make sure to switch to manual configuration. This lets you enter IMAP versus POP explicitly, set incoming and outgoing hosts, and pick encryption. This step saves time later because correct protocol choice determines mail sync behavior and folder handling. Now you focus on the middle, where settings matter most. Choose a map for consistent multi-device syncing. POP will download and remove mail unless you change settings. Enter the incoming host, set port 993 with SSL for a map, then outgoing SMTP with port 587 and TLS. Make sure authentication uses the same username and password, otherwise send will fail. Once done, hit Test Account Settings so you confirm authentication, sending, and finish by tailoring behavior. Set sync frequency, choose which folders to subscribe to, add your signature, and set the correct default data file so new mail goes where you expect. Export a PSD backup if you plan big changes. Make sure your calendar and contacts are sharing correctly across devices. If something still fails, no send, no receive, clear stored credentials in Windows or Mac keychain, restart Outlook, and if needed, recreate the profile. That usually resolves corrupted settings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.